So we've driven about 35 kilometres from camp and we're up in the northern section of Purnululu National Park in a place called Echidna Chasm. I really love this place because it's a really narrow gorge and a place where we can challenge ourselves with a super wide angle lens and different lighting type. And the lighting is quite extreme, and I might consider HDR, taking 3, sometimes 5 images, usually 3 nowadays is enough. Something like -3 stops, correct exposure, +3 stops, blend them together in Lightroom or Photoshop and you get a better dynamic range of information in your final result. Give it a go, it's easier than you think. So for a HDR, I'm going to import the images into Lightroom. Here's my 3 images here. I hold the Shift key down, target all 3 images. I come up to Photo, Photo Merge, and across to HDR. Dialog box comes up and I leave Auto Align ticked, Auto Settings ticked, and I'm to High. I then go Merge. And at this time, it's going to take a little while depending on how fast your computer works and how big the file sizes are. And you can see down the bottom here, it's created my HDR. So I'll click on the HDR version and I've got a result there, but it's not the final version. So what I want to do at this point is actually process that image. So I'll click on Develop and there's the HDR version. I'll then come to highlights, go minus with my highlights. I've got great detail in the sky now. Still not where I want it to be because, have a look at the histogram, it's not light bright to the right. We're not using our white point information. So now I'll come across, I'll drag my whites across. So just before they're going to click, I'll add a little texture down here, a little clarity, and that's it. I hit F for full frame, have a look. I'm happy with that. What a great result.